Guys, at this point, if you go to your Google Whisk website trying to generate image or do anything on the website, you're going to discover that you can no longer access it. I'm going to show you a proven method you can literally use to access your Whisk AI. Every one of us knows that Whisk AI is an amazing AI tool, free for that matter, that we have been using to generate our crazy images. We have been using to do a whole lot of things, and we are not being charged for it. Okay, and right now you can't even access it on the website again. And I feel like a lot of people are bothered. A lot of people are, they're asking, how can we get another tool that is going to help us? Now, this time around, I'm not going to give you another tool. I'm going to give you exactly Whisk AI. You can use your Whisk AI and generate your images, use your Whisk AI and do whatever you normally use it to do before. Let's go to Whisk AI. Okay, let's go to Whisk AI. Let me show you that you can no longer use it anymore. If you go to Google and search for Whisk AI, click on the Whisk AI. Okay, let's go. Let's search for Whisk AI. Okay, normally this is where you will go through. Okay, now once you click on Whisk, you're going to be welcome to this interface where you're expected to choose. You're expected to choose an email of your choice. Just go ahead and choose an email of your choice. Okay, I'll just choose an email of my choice. Just go ahead and choose any email you want to use. Okay, now once you come here, this is what you're going to be welcome with. Okay, so you're going to see welcome to Flow. Thank you for being a Whisk user. Image and video generation have moved to Flow. Guys, now this simply means that I don't know if you're actually a user of Whisk. If you have been a user of Whisk, you understand the fact that they have been telling us to actually move all everything we've been doing, our project on Google Whisk, we should move it away because they want to do something, they want to change our website and all of that. Guys, it has fun, and they even give us a date when it will take effect. It has finally happened, and yes, they have finally moved to Flow. Now, it doesn't mean that Google Whisk is no longer available. It now means that they have changed their name. They have changed their name. For those that are regular users actually can attest to this. They have changed their name and they are now bearing Flow. Okay, they are now bearing Flow AI. You can see. It says, thank you for being a Whisk user. Image and video generation have moved to Flow. Yes, just click on Get Started. After clicking on Get, you can literally start using your Whisk, your Flow, your Whisk. It is the same thing. Okay, you can use it to generate free images, and I'm going to be showing you. Click on Get Started with Flow. Now, once you click on Get Started with Flow, this is what the interface looks like. Okay, you can go ahead and read this. Okay, read this. Okay, just click on Get Started. Now, once you click on Get Started, this is the amazing interface you're going to be welcomed with. Now it says Nano Banana 2 is here. We've updated the original Nano Banana model with significant improvements in image generation, stylization, multiple references, and editing. Guys, this is amazing. Okay, so I'm just going to click on. So if you come here, let me show you. First of all, before we even continue, let me show you why I said you can literally, in fact, you're going to get unlimited image generation without paying anything. Just click on this profile here. If you click on profile here, you have 150 credits. Now, after doing everything I'm going to be doing, we'll come back here. I pray I don't forget. We'll come back here and then we are going to look for our credit and see if anything I've reduced. Okay. So I'm just going to go back. Now you can see, for you to get started, all you need to do is to click on New Project. Okay. Click on New Project. Once you click on New Project, you'll be welcome to this interface, guys. Okay, you can see Start, you can see End, you can see Video. If you click on this video here, you're going to see image generation, you're going to see video generation. Yes, you can literally create your images and your videos right inside this place, right? If you want to choose, let's start with our image first of all. So I'm just going to click on this. Or before that, let me explain what all of this icon means. Now, If you want to create an image, just select this image, highlight it like this, tap on it, it's going to highlight. If you want to do video, just tap on it to highlight. Now this 16:9 here is where you can tap on it to choose your aspect ratio. If you're making for YouTube tutorial, you can choose 16:9, that's for long form video. Then all others, 16:9 for short, TikTok, Facebook, and all of that. Just choose 16:9. Okay, now this times 1, times 2, times 3, times 4 represents the number of images and videos you want to create at a time. Okay, so let's assume, for instance, you want to generate an image and you want the same image to be 2. You want it to generate it 2 times, you want it to generate it 3 times, just tap on it like that. Okay, and guys, you're going to be using Nano Banana. And if you've ever used Nano Banana to create anything, you know how amazing and crisp it is to use it for your images. Okay, so you can see generating will use 0 credits. Okay, so let's go back. Now just tap on this plus icon here. Let's generate an image. Click on this plus icon, it will bring you to this interface. Okay, once it brings you to this interface, you're going to see upload an image. Okay, now once you see this upload an image, simply means do you have a reference image you already have in mind that you want to recreate? That is when you creating image consistency. You can see this is what you have been doing in your Whisk AI. If you want to create a consistent image, what you need to do is to just tap on upload image, go to your photos and videos. Okay, let me go to my gallery. Okay, let me look for a picture. Let me click on this picture. Let me tap on this. Done. Now let's assume now that it is actually loading. Let's assume, just wait for it to load to up to 100% and you can now start your work. Okay, now let's assume I want to create this same image. I want the face to look the same thing, I want the background to be the same thing, but I want the attire to change. Okay, I want the attire to change. I'm just going to say, in this place that they said, what do you want to create? I'm just going to say, maintain the same face and background, change only the dressing. Let her put on a black round neck long dress and a pink high heels shoe. Okay, so click on this Nano Banana here. Okay, you can see Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2, Imaging 4. Okay, just leave it on that Nano Banana Pro. Okay, just select the one you want, the aspect ratio of the one you want. I'm just going to leave it at 16:9. Okay, I'm just going to select, it's just one image I want to create. I don't need to select times 2, times 3, times 4. Okay, now I'm just going to hit on generate. I'll hit generate. So let's watch what it's going to give us. I don't know if you understand the process of this plus and all of that, creating of consistency. You can drop at the comment section if you don't understand. Guys, can you see? You can see it has given me the same face. It has given me the same dress. It has given me the same face. It has also maintained our background, but this time around the dress is different. Okay, I forgot to actually ask you to change the head tie because I don't even want the head tie. Okay, so I'm just going to long press it. Once you long press it, you now see download. Just tap on download to download. Okay, I've just downloaded it. Now that I've generated this image, let us create a video with it. Okay, for you to create a video with it, you have to go back so that we can go to the video interface. Just tap on this place here to go back. Okay, now tap on new project again. Now once you tap on new project, click on this place here. Okay, remember you need to tap on your video for it to highlight, for you to create a video. Okay, so now I've just tapped on the image. I'm also going to leave it at 16:9. I want to create one video. I'll leave it at like that. Now if you come down here, you're going to see this you're going to see this VEO 3.1. Tap on it. Okay, now you are using VEO for free and you are using Nano Banana for free. Okay, all on this website, on this new Whisk website. Okay, these are the amazing things it came with. Okay, so I'm just going to, so you can see start and you can see end. Okay, now this starts, click on start. Now once you click on start, you're going to be welcome to this interface where you're supposed to upload your image. I'll click on upload image and then photos and videos, and then select the image I have created. Okay, this is the image we want to talk, right? Just wait for it to complete loading. Okay, it's done loading. Then I'm just going to write what I want it to say. Okay, just tap on the video session. I'm just going to write what I want it to say. I'll just say, make her talk and say, guys, you can now use Whisk AI for free again. And in this video, Debbie will teach you how to generate how to do that. Just keep watching. Okay, so now that I've sent that, click on video to ensure that all your settings are in place. Okay, and then hit on generate. Now for your images, you can literally create your images free of charge. Okay, you can create your images free of charge, but for your video you will be charged. Okay, you will be charged credit for creating you'll be charged 10 credits for creating your videos, and that 10 credits you are not paying anything for it. You'll be charged 10 credits for creating your videos, and every day when you come to the website, ensure you log into the website every day. They're going to be giving you free credits that you can be using to be creating your stuff. Okay, and once your credit is done, you can switch to another email. Okay, and keep on generating. Now it says this prompt might violate our policies about generating blah 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 blah. Okay, let's go ahead and say another thing. Let her speak in Nigerian English and say, now the one I generated, they said is against their policy. That's why I'm trying to generate another one. Let her speak in Nigerian English and say, remember when you're creating your images or when you're making your videos, remember to always tell it the language you want it to speak. Is it Nigerian English? Is it fluent American English, anyone, just give it a prompt. Okay. Hi guys, welcome to my studio. In today's video I will teach you how to use Whisk AI for free. Keep watching. Okay, we're going to hit generate again. We're going to send it again. Okay guys, our video is ready, you can see. So I'm just going to tap on it. Hey guys, welcome to my studio. In today's video, I will teach you how to use Whisk AI for free. Keep watching and hey guys, welcome to my studio. In today's video, I will teach you how to use Whisk AI for free. Keep watching and hey guys, welcome to my studio. In today's video, I will teach you how to use Whisk AI for free. Guys, can you see that the audio is so beautiful? The audio is so beautiful. I've used it for more than 6 seconds. Okay, so you can literally generate your images here and your videos here, all in this new Whisk environment. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, do well to like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos like this, you're going to get notified. Thank you for watching. Bye.